So let me show you step by step how to move files to Google Drive. After you open your browser like this, so click on the search and search for drive.google.com. So I'll search in drive.google.com. .google.com. So click on the enter. After you select enter, so if you have signed in before, it will just take you to the drive. But if it is your first time, it will ask you to select the Gmail account that you want to use. After you select the Gmail account, so the interface will look like this. So the next thing you should do, you click on this new button. So go to file upload. So now it will open your PC. So now go and find the file that you want to upload. So for this one, I want to upload, let's say, this text. I'll select the text and click on this open. After you click on the open, so now here is the text. Now the text is uploading. So after the text has finished uploading, now if you scroll to down under this, so now just click on this my drive. Under my drive, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the name of the file that you uploaded. And at the same time, if you want, you can upload more than one file at the same time. So by clicking on the new again, go to file or folder, you can upload folder at the same time with anything inside the folder. So with everything inside the folder, so let's say I want to upload like 2 files at the same time, I'll click on this file upload button. So from this option, now select the file like this. After you remake them, then click on this open. So from there, these are the file. So I'll click on this keep all. So now as you can see, the file now are uploading. And that's it guys on how to move files to Google Drive. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.